Hello everyone, welcome to our living room. This is Cherry from Hubei Wambo Auto Parts Technology Corporation Limited. Okay, welcome. Today I'd like to show you our products and introduce our factory and products. Now as you can see, I'm in our sample room. Here we have fuel pump and fuel pump assembly. 大家好，今天呢我就给大家介绍一下关于我们的产品。我们工厂主要生产有泵芯，像这种泵芯，然后还有总成，这些都是我们自主研发的品牌，那个 models items 比较多。然后今天主要给大家介绍一下，this is our brand, this one is our brand, and we are the original factory. As you can see, it's a site. It's a site. Let me go into some details for you. This is a site, and inside is a car package, and we have put a fuel pump, a filter, a wear, and a card and a key ring inside. As you can see, the fuel pump color is green. It's green. We print the word on the body. We can print the word as your requirements also, and we can do ODM and OEM for you. Okay. This is our brand Rika. We also have different tabs. This one is just a color box. It's not a cup package. Okay, in the inside, it has a white foam inside, like this. 这是我们的品牌，我们自主研发的、自主创建的一个品牌 ，Rika 品牌。这个是品牌 is very popular in the market， 就是这个品牌比较的畅销。如果感兴趣的话，可以联系我们。我们另外一个品牌就是这个叫 Diesel is also a cup package. Oh my god, it's a cup package. The inside is a fuel pump. It's a fuel pump like this. This color back is very beautiful, right? The color of the shell is yellow, and we can make a different color as your requirements. And the height is black. We also can change the height color for you. It also has a filter, a wear, a card, and a key ring. Okay. Another is this one. This one is 这种是精品盒包装，精品盒质量非常好，比普通的纸盒质量非常好。这大概就是我们的品牌，我们可以做 OEM、ODM 都可以的，然后可以根据您的要求做一些颜色的调整，或者是其他流量的调整都可以的。然后我们这边泵芯生产的型号是比较多的，各种各样的都有，像这种黑体红头的是可以做的。然后 this one yellow color is also can be produced. This big one for the Renault and Porsche. And here is for Japanese cars. Here is fuel pump assembly. This is for Japanese cars and Korea cars, and for European cars. We have researched and developed fuel pump assembly more than 500 models, and we are developing more new models recently. If you are interested, just leave our message. 我们这边工厂的话，主要生产泵芯和总成。我们总成生产的型号是比较多的，有日韩系比较多，然后美系、德系，就是一些欧洲车呀、法国车都有很多。有需要的话可以联。